Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, Pound US Dollar for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us. Yes, my favorite 4 hours time frame. And as you can see on the chart that there is no proper movement in the market going on right now, because trading on a trending market is always easier in comparison to a market condition like this. And if I just ask you, where should we go for a trade here, then you may or may not have a proper answer, because the chart is not that simple, the chart is not that beautiful. And you can see that I have got many lines here drawn on the chart. So let's do the analysis and let's try to understand each and every line here. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you can see that I have got this trend line, okay, and this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And I will request you, my dear friends, that you should also draw these lines in your platform so that you can do the analysis better, so that you can understand the market better. So what is the overall trend of the market here? Okay, so if we just look at the chart here, then we can see that overall trend of the market seems to be in downtrend, because this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Because whenever market is trying to go up, this trend line is not allowing the market to go up. Therefore, one thing is clear to us, that this trend line is a valid resistance for the market, and still this trend line is not allowing the market to go up that easily. Therefore, this is a dynamic resistance for the market, and I'll say that you must draw this line in your trading platform. So apart from this dynamic resistance, the most important level on the chart of GBP USD is this line. I have been discussing about these lines for quite some time, because this level belongs to the weekly chart. This level belongs to the weekly chart. 1.3755. And as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the big players, institutional traders. Therefore, the resistances and the support levels for the weekly chart are extremely important. So let's go to the weekly chart once and see how the market is doing. So this is the weekly chart of pound US dollar. Let me remove the drawings here, and now you can see that this level, this support at 1.3755, has been acting as a very strong support for the market. Whenever market is going down, it is providing support to the market. So there is no doubt that this level is the most important and most strong level on the chart of GBP USD. Therefore, in case there is a fall in the market and the market comes down and takes support here, then definitely it's a buy. Okay, therefore, you must draw this line 1.3750 on your trading platform. So apart from these two lines, you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. But let me be very honest here. Okay, though I have drawn this trend line because of this touch and this touch, but this trend line is not that strong, because see, whenever you see a trend line like this, then definitely you can assume that this line is not that strong. Because see, if I zoom out the chart, you can clearly see that whenever market is going up, this line is acting as a strong resistance for the market. But this line is comparatively quite new. Okay, therefore, this line has not established itself as a strong support for the market yet. Therefore, we cannot rely much as of now. Still, I have drawn it. And right now, market is trying to take support at this particular price level. 1.3875. Because though market is a downtrend right now, but you can see that if we just consider this portion of the market, then we can easily see that there is no volatility in the market and market seems to be in uptrend. sorry, market seems to be sideways. Okay, and we have a support in the form of 1.3875. So this is the overall picture of the market. The market seems very bad right now because there is not much volatility here. If we go to the forex sentiment meter here, okay, you'll find the forex sentiment meter on my website avillashhazarika.com under forex 101 section. If we go to the forex sentiment meter, you can see that 76% traders have taken short position, whereas only 23% traders have taken long position. And so 76% retail traders are thinking the market will be going down, and as we all know, market always move against the retail traders, and as a result 90% traders lose money. Anyways, and if we go to the forex volatility calculator here, you can see that this is the forex volatility calculator. You'll find the calculator on the same page. You can see that, see right now hardly there is any movement in the market. In the 1 minute chart, 0.7 pips movement. In the 15 minutes chart, you can only expect a movement of 2.3 pips. In the 1 hour chart, you can only expect a movement of 6.4 pips, whereas you can expect a movement of 15 pips on the 4 hour chart. So there is not much movement in the market. And let me tell you one thing, that today NFP report is about to come, being the first Friday of this month. So you'll again find these in the economic calendar here. And my dear friend, I'll request you, please make this as a part of your daily routine to check the economic calendar whenever you sit in front of your laptop. At least once a day, okay, at least once a day, preferably in the morning, you should open the economic calendar and just need to check out what are the important events that are going to drive the market for the day. So the most important news for the day is the non-farm payroll. You can see that after 8 hours 10 minutes this report is about to come, and the the previous data was 850,000 jobs. This month they are expecting a rise in the jobs to be 870,000. So it totally depends. Okay, so in case there is a bad result, or in case the report fails to meet this consensus, then market will be going down, and in case there is a good report, it meets the consensus, then market will be going up. I mean, going up means the US dollar, and in case US dollar goes up, okay, then GBP USD will go down. So you must also keep your eyes on the fundamental factors as well. So NFP report, if the NFP report is good enough, dollar will go up and GBP will go down. If the report is bad, fails to meet the consensus, dollar will go up and pound will, sorry, dollar will go down and pound will go up. So what should be a strategy? I'll say that you should not trade right now. This is your no trading zone. Okay, you should wait for the market. Okay, my dear friend, you should wait for the market. If market crosses this trend line above, if market crosses this trend line above, then you can go for a buy order. Just keep in mind, in case after the NFP report dollar starts falling, then obviously pound will go up, it will cross this level, you can go for a buy. On the other hand, if the report comes good, if it meets the consensus, then obviously dollar will fall. Sorry, dollar will go up and pound will fall. DXY will go up, pound will fall, and when it will cross this level 1.38775 level, you can go for a sell. So sell below this level, buy above this level. That's it. Right now market is trading in a tight range here, so do not trade here. Do not trade. This is your no trading zone. So these are all the factors that are going to drive the market today. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow again with the analysis for Monday. Bye bye.